be sure that our students are going out with up-to-date requirements from industry. Okay, so what's new in industry, our students capable of doing that. So there's two ways we do that. One, when we have a very long and strong contact with our industry and we ask them what do they want from their students, not now, but in 4 years' time when these new students will graduate. So we have employer breakfast, we bring them all in, we ask them what their requirements are going to be or what they perceive the requirements are going to be in the future for the students. So that's one way we prepare the students, and we're aware of what's going on in industry at all times and those requirements, and try and put that into our course, and we integrate that quite well within our courses to ensure that the students have the knowledge and experience that they need for going into industry. The other thing is that all of our lecturers are research active as well. So when we look at what's hot and what's new and everything that's going on in the research field, all of our teaching is informed by that research as well. So we bring that research knowledge into the classroom. We give examples from our research, brand new stuff, cutting edge stuff that's only out, particularly within renewable energy, for example. We might bring in a brand new renewable energy piece of kit that's only out in the market, analyse it, and do that through our teaching. So students are aware then that it's actually research-led teaching as well as theoretical or practical.